Have you ever listened to somebody speak but found it hard to understand what they were saying? I'm David Pope. Starting at the BBC, I've coached hundreds of business and legal professionals across Asia, from CEOs and senior partners to young executives and TEDx speakers. Mark Twain, who wrote Huckleberry Finn, he once said that words may be important, but no word is as important as a rightly timed pause.
Pausing helps your audience follow your ideas. It's like spoken punctuation. Pausing gives your listeners time to process what you're saying. Pausing also holds and increases your listeners' attention. People who project leadership often engage their audience more with their pauses than with their words.
So, next time you're giving a speech, pitch, or presentation, don't just focus on the words, but think about the spaces between them. These pauses are powerful and will really help engage your listeners. In my course, Projecting Leadership, you'll learn how to transform your voice and presence with gravitas. I'm passionate about helping you wherever you are in your career to find a strong, confident, and authentic voice for work, for leadership, for life. I'm sharing my top voice and presence tips here, so please subscribe to my channel and turn on your notifications so you'll be sure to get them. And right now, when you visit my website, allvoicetalent.com, you can sign up for a free 6-day mini course that will give you some tools to improve your voice right away. Check the link in the description and learn more about my one-on-one coaching programs, online professional development courses, workshops, and webinars.
To transform your voice and presence, click the link in the description. Let's get started.
Use your best voice with All Voice Talent.